Hello, everyone. Today, I'm going to share a simple framework that will completely change the way you answer interview questions, especially your DBA interviews. So, have you ever walked out of an interview thinking, I knew the answer, but I didn't explain it well? Today, I will show you a simple three-step trick, what I call the thumb rule, to make sure that it never happens again. Yes, the thumb rule for interview success. Your answering interview questions can be very stressful, right? Sometimes we talk too much, sometimes we are too little and end up sounding, unsure. Yes. So, next slide. Ever feel like you're not quite hitting the mark in the interviews? Or do you talk too much, losing their attention? Or talk too little, leaving them wanting more? Do you often sound unsure, even when you know the answer? Yes. Next slide. But what if I told you there's a simple formula for every interview question that makes you sound structured, professional, and confident? Yes? Think about it. Yes, the thumb rule. That's what I call it as a thumb rule. Yes, the thumb rule for answering the interview questions. A simple thumb rule. What, why, and how. Yes. What will define the concepts like, what clearly and concisely, explain its importance, and how will basically link your theory to your practicals. Yes. So your answer should always follow this logical progression. And first define what the concept is, explain why it matters, and third, show how you have applied it in real life. Yes. This step one. Find the keyword. Next slide. Find the keyword. Right. So when you get a question, the first thing you need to do is listen carefully and find the keyword that's the heart of the question. Is slide five again? Why I would like to say that. Tell me how the interviewer is asking. Tell me how you troubleshoot a performance issue. What is the keyword here? It came in your mind. Performance tuning. How do you handle blocking sessions? What is the keyword here? The blocking sessions. So this step keeps you focused so you don't drift away, from what the interviewer really wants. Yes. So step two. Next slide. So once you have your keyword, next, after you have defined the keyword, keep it very simple and clear. And then now you define, uh, once you have given the definition, what is performance tuning? Yes. So performance tuning is the process of identifying and resolving the bottlenecks within Oracle database system to optimize its speeds, its efficiency, and resource utilization. So you all know, right? What happens if the CPU is very intensive? And what is a blocking session? If you ask something, the interviewer is asking, how do you resolve a blocking session? So blocking session in an Oracle database, the session holds a specific resource or a lock, preventing other sessions from accessing the same resource. See how direct that sounds? Yes? When you start explaining the what, it's very clear. Okay, she knows what is, or he knows what is he talking about. Next, after you explain what is what, you explain why. Yes, explain the process why. Yeah, why does it matter? So performance tuning ensures efficient application performance, achieves resource savings, and leads to higher user satisfaction. And blocking sessions must be resolved quickly because they prevent and the system slowdowns and application harms. They avoid user complaints and ensures continuous database uptimes. Yes. So now you have explained the what and the why. Now the third important and the crucial part comes is the how. Yes. This is where you shine by giving a real example. Yes. So in one project, a critical business report took 5 minutes to run. I used AWR report to identify, the high speed SQL query and SQL monitoring tools for real time insights. And after tuning the report, the report was like run in 10 seconds. So in production and application, and for the blocking sections, you can say in production, an application froze. I quickly defined the blocking session using $V session and $V lock views. And after resolving the lock, I implemented a monitoring alert to prevent recurrence. So that's a proof that how you connected your theory to your DBA experience. Yes. So now we have defined the thumb rule for the interview. Yes. Just to recap. Yes, it's what? Define the concept. 2, explain why it matters. 3, how you apply it. Follow this and your answers will never sound scattered again. Instead, you will sound confident, clear, and professional. Exactly what the interviewer wants. Yes, and finally, the call to action for you is to like and subscribe my videos and also join my YouTube channel and have a very nice day. Bye-bye.